Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove your antenna assembly. So the antenna part that comes up from here, you would just twist counterclockwise. Sometimes you have to get it right at the base, even with an open-end wrench. But once you unscrew the antenna itself and remove it out of there, you're left with this housing. And a lot of people don't know how to get it off from there. So it's pretty simple. Right here you can just pry up with a screwdriver to remove that cover. And then you have two of these cross point screws here. So once you undo those, you can pull the whole housing upwards, and it will separate there where the rest of the cable comes up from the antenna, and you're done. So hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and look through my videos if you're new to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe as well. We have a lot of new videos coming online all the time, but we have videos on just about anything that you would need, from clutch replacement to gear install to exhaust work to body panels, just about anything you could do to the Mustang. So if you do not find what you're looking for, go ahead and just comment below as well, and I'll see if I have a video that I can reference you to. Thanks for watching.